clean and green energy is important for our future.
Australia's natural resources are such that we have many different options for developing a more sustainable energy economy.
With an infinite supply of sunlight and wind, the possibilities are endless. But Professor Debra Bernhardt says the challenge is storing renewable energy.
We are looking at new materials that would make batteries, supercapacitors, fuel cells more environmentally friendly because they're not using materials which are not renewable, and also looking at systems where the waste product is just water, for example, in a hydrogen fuel cell, which is not going to spoil the environment.
A world leader in non-equilibrium statistical mechanics, Professor Bernhardt uses computational methods to study new materials. She is widely known for her work on the fluctuation theorem.
My greatest achievement was the derivation of the fluctuation theorem. It's very, very simple, but it explains why processes occur in a particular direction. And so for nanoscale systems, fluctuations are very important. And this theorem, as well as explaining what we do observe and have observed forever, it can allow us to understand things that we couldn't understand previously.
It was a discovery 25 years in the making.
There were people who had different opinions to us along the way, and actually that really motivated us to continue working in the field. If they said, it can't work, it's trivial, or it's something, it would encourage me to work harder and prove that it is correct and make the proof of the result more rigorous.